Mixing cats and birds together is oftentimes difficult for people. There is a solution, and that is this beautiful collar. You can see he's doing some modeling for us here. This is a pumpkin, and what he also has is this bell. So the combination of these two items is what will keep the birds safe. Let's get a little close up here. Around his neck is, you can see these colors, very bright colors, and there's a bell. See, there's a bell on the side. So what happens, those bright colors can be seen much easier by the birds. That will let the birds know that there is a threat nearby, and they'll spot it out of the corner of their eye, all these bright colors. And on top of that, you have bells here. So these bells are going to rattle. You can hear them rattling already. Now I'll leave a link below where you can get this. He just got his new one today. Look how fresh and new it looks. And he seems to not mind it. Down below is this new thing we got because he's been kind of going after some of the birds. He just loves the birds. So we got this bell. So this bell, what happens when he goes to run, it rattles and it'll notify the birds of the danger before he gets running. But he's very smart because he can sneak up real slow and stalk the birds very slowly without rattling the bell like a sniper. So he's getting pretty good. But you can see right now he's looking in that direction over here. I'll show you. So over here we have hummingbird feeders. You can see there's a couple of them. And we have bird seed right over here. There's bird seed. Let me show you. First of all, see, there's one of the hummingbird feeders right there. Okay, there's a hummingbird right there. Let's get him on film. So according to research, the collar will prevent 87% of fatalities. So that's 87 out of 100 birds will be saved by wearing this. So that's a lot of bird lives. And then if you add the bells to it, but I think we'll get up to about 95% survival rate, non-kill rate. 95 out of 100 will be saved. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and we'll see you guys next time.